right from the beginning, when I start my roofing business in 2008, that was my decision. I would never hide from my customers. I will always answer the phone. I will always face the problems that happens on my jobs, and I will stay behind and I will take care of my customers. Good morning, Louisville. This is Sergey, owner of Roof It Right. I'm about ready to go out to the work and have a few minutes waiting for my wife to prepare my lunch. And I want to share some very interesting from my yesterday life. I got a Google review from a customer that we did a small repair a couple of weeks ago, and he's saying that he's very satisfied with our work, and he mentioned that I put his roof on 10 years ago, and 10 years after he came back to me. He called me when the tree from the neighbor fell on his roof and made a couple scratches and a couple shingles been damaged. And he called me. He remembered me and he called me. And one important thing that I wanna share is that you know how sometimes you call a roofer who did the job for you and the roofer not answering the phone, and you know many of them, they do not answer the phone because they do scare to hear that there's a problem on roofs that they install or repair. And you know many of them, they just simply do not answer the phone. And why I'm sharing this with you, because you know right from the beginning, when I start my roofing business in 2008, that was my decision. I would never hide from my customers. I will always answer the phone. I will always face the problems that happens on my jobs, and I will stay behind and I will take care of my customers. And you know the principal idea was a good name is better than expensive oil. You know that Bible statement, Solomon, King Solomon expressed. And you know I'm very much inspired by this specific phrase. And I would say that it always was my mission statement. I always work doing the business, taking care of my customers, and thinking about my name, my reputation. So this experience from yesterday, when I saw that Google review, I thought, well, that's very cool. 10 years after, person called me and I didn't hesitate to answer the phone and face whatever is there. And you know, in many times it's not really my issues. Things like that happens, like tree fell or squirrels damage the flashing, or ice storm, or hailstorm, wind damage, things like that. So never hide from your customer. Stay up to your good name, and you will have return customers, and they will trust your business.